Hello everyone. Well, as the country prepares to open the London Olympics tonight, the week's publication of Q2 2012 UK GDP figures may rain on the parade of the Prime Minister and the Chancellor because the economy shrunk minus 0.7%. This is the third consecutive quarter of economic contraction, which means we were in a recession last quarter. We're still in a recession now, and it's actually 4 quarters of negative returns in the last 5, so not very good at all. And there's even talk of Vince Cable being earmarked to replace Osborne in number 11 Downing Street, but I would think a lot of Tory grandees will say over their dead bodies. But nevertheless, perhaps the figures are not quite as bad as they seem when you dig in a little bit further. It was a terrible period for rainfall, and it perhaps no surprise that the construction industry accounted for minus 0.4% of that GDP contraction. Production accounted for minus 0.2%, and the service sector minus 0.1%. Now, bearing in mind that not only did we have a lot of rain in the last quarter, but we also had a little issue of Her Majesty's Diamond Jubilee, where we all got bank holidays and perhaps took a little bit of time off. So productivity was not as high as everyone would have expected. Now in Q3, we'll see whether rain and the Queen's Diamond Jubilee had a significant effect on GDP in this quarter. If it did, we might get a nice bounce back. But bearing in mind, apart from these domestic issues, we're also facing a lot of headwinds. It's a really difficult time for the economy, and it goes to show that our predictions that things are going to be tough over the next couple of years are probably holding quite good at the moment.